is an esteemed university integrated with and contributing to the development of the society, gives high importance to academic freedom and merit. Faculty of Dentistry is an education, research, and treatment facility attached to its values, giving priority to teamwork and improving people's oral health, under the light of the scientific and technological developments. The Faculty of Dentistry was founded in 2009 by 8 academy members. The faculty started to fully operate and has been providing services since 2010 with the vision of becoming a reference center, particularly in healthcare services, not only locally but also in neighboring countries with its scientific researches and education. There are 8 departments in our faculty providing a modern education program accompanied with scientific researches and publications, adding value to the society. Our faculty, with its strong academic staff and clinics equipped with the latest technology, provides an outstanding service focusing on patient satisfaction. In Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Surgery services such as impacted tooth extraction, treatments of temporomandibular disorders, implantology, bone and soft tissue regeneration, and orthognathic surgery are provided. In Department of Oral and Maxillofacial Radiology, besides the digital periapical, panoramic, and cephalometric devices, rolling computed tomography device are also provided. In Department of Operative Dentistry, along with applications of preventive and protective care against tooth decays, treatment services for decay, trauma, coloring, and correction of disorders in tooth due to several anomalies are provided. In Department of Endodontics, root canal treatment services are provided with modern equipment and methods. In Department of Orthodontics, besides the treatments of lips, palate clefts, routine orthodontic treatments are provided. In Department of Pedodontics, modern protective and corrective treatments are provided in clinics specially designed for children. In Department of Periodontology, besides protective treatment services, modern tissue regeneration methods and implant applications are provided as well. In Department of Prosthetic Dentistry, besides classic prosthetic methods, modern treatment services are provided in order to restore to aesthetic and function as well. Our faculty has been rapidly approaching to its target of becoming a reference center, and it is the first faculty of dentistry that is licensed with TS EN ISO 9001-2008 in education and treatment services of oral and dental health, which is an inseparable part of general health. Our faculty, with its aim of sustainable development, has been able to become one of the most reputable institutions. The organization also has a high academic recognition with projects supported by respectable institutions such as BAP and TÜBİTAK, its rate of participation in national and international scientific events, and with the number of publications in SCI index with an average of never less than 1 per person. Our faculty has a high level of contribution to healthcare, education, and research in local and international scale with its physical and technological infrastructure. The institution has reached a remarkable capacity of 144 dental units in 2 years treatment process and provided treatment under general anesthesia for hundreds of disabled children and adult patients in its oral care center for the handicapped, which is founded in 2010. Our faculty succeeded to launch a cooperated doctorate program in all the main fields in its first year of foundation and started to offer specialized education with the first exam of specialization in dentistry. Our faculty has a preclinical laboratory equipped with the latest technology HD video recording and broadcasting system for preclinical education, which is a first in Turkey. Our training program is prepared according to the reports of European Dentistry Education Association, making us one of the most preferred faculties in Turkey. Our facilities, such as computerization of patient information and radiology data, sterilization of the tap water with the in-house central sterilization unit, and the utilization of hospital suction system with the disinfection and amalgam separator unit, as well as our priority in patient and staff satisfaction, also makes us one of the most preferred healthcare organizations in Turkey. As a family of dentistry, we regard merit, teamwork, and quality, respect human life and environment, work with valuable and open-minded dentists, specialists, and academicians, contribute to the global literature in the field, and offer a health service in international standards. Thus, we have taken firm steps forward to become a reference center in Turkey and in the region. İnönü University Faculty of Dentistry is disciplined, dynamic, and ambitious.